Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a clean with me, and I'm just going to start off by making my bed, and then we're going to get everything all cleaned up. So now I'm just moving along to folding my clothes, and I recently got asked how do I actually fold my clothes, the way that I fold them so little like that. So I'm going to show you how I fold my pants, and I just fold it halfway, I tuck in that little part, and then I just keep folding until it comes all the way through. Sorry, that's probably not the best way to explain it, but that's just how I do it. And then my shirts, I fold it, and then I fold it halfway, and then I will fold it again in 3 little sections, which you just saw. So I hope that helps you out, and I'm just going to speed up these clips so I can do my laundry a little bit faster so you don't have to sit through the whole thing. So the method that I'm actually using is the Kaimari Method, and this is just when you're folding your clothes like this, and as you can see, I can see everything that's in my dresser drawers at one time. They're not sitting on top of each other, so whenever I open my drawers, I don't have to guess what I have because it's all there and I can see it at one time. And so I do have more videos on that, on my Kaimari Method, and like how I'd organize my dresser drawers and all that stuff. So if you would like to check those out, I'll make sure I try to link it down in my description box so you can check out those videos. So now I'm just moving along to hanging my clothes, and I actually got this little hack from Amanda, and her channel is This Crazy Life. But I'm just gonna stack up all my clothes and put the hanger on. So now I'm just moving along to cleaning out this Amazon box that I got. It has some things that I picked up from the store, and it also has things that I bought or ordered online from Amazon. And one of the things that you will see, I'm going to show in the camera, is the brush that was a straightener and a hair dryer as well. And I've seen these a lot around Christmas time, but I finally got me one. It was at Dirt Cheap for $12, and they were actually having those things half off, so I only paid $6 for it. But of course, when I went back to get more, because my mom wanted one, my friend wanted one, they had upped the price to $60, and it was half of that price, so it was $30. And honestly, I think someone just messed up and put the wrong price on the one that I had.
I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights, even though they're so overdue. We had a fire, now we're watching it burn. I'm falling behind. I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind.
So at the beginning of my videos, I like to introduce myself. My name is Courtney. I do all types of cleaning videos, decorate with me videos, decluttering, organizing, makeovers, just any type of homemaking. I love those types of videos. So if you haven't already, go ahead and push that subscribe button. And also you can follow me on Instagram. My handle name is The Life of Courtney 19.
That we watch it burn out. Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time.
As you can tell, I'm still so excited about reaching my goal of 1,000 subscribers, and honestly, I'm so close to 2,000 subscribers, and it's just like unbelievable. But I'm just so super excited. But I just want to make sure I just let everyone know that I appreciate you so much for checking out this video and checking out all of my other videos. It means the world to me, and I just can't thank you enough.
Demons pushing on my triggers. 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 I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights. Think I'm losing my mind, but I guess that's what love do.
So I've been trying so hard to make sure this side table does not become a catch-all, and in real life I have been failing so badly because it's definitely a catch-all. But I also wanted to point out that I did rearrange my room. I used to have my dresser where my computer is, and then vice versa, my computer where my dresser was. But I feel like the space now is opened up more, and I absolutely love how my room is right now. And also, if you don't know this or haven't been watching me for a while, I love change. I love rearranging, redecorating. I love that kind of stuff. So my bedroom changes out a lot over a course of the year.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go?
So before I end this video, I wanted to make sure I give you an update on the makeovers that I have planned for my bedroom. And I have my closet that I want to do, which will be happening soon. I'm just waiting on one more thing to come from Amazon. And then I actually want to repaint my bedroom. And so hopefully that makeover will happen as soon as my closet makeover is done. And of course I have more that I want to do. And I'm just so excited, and I'm hoping you guys are excited for the summertime, because I'm telling you, we have a lot of makeovers to do, not only in my house or my parents' house, but also my friends are letting me make over their house. And so we're gonna have a lot of content and makeovers galore. So I hope you are ready. I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already, push that subscribe button so you can be part of my YouTube family, and then you won't miss out on any more of my uploads. Also, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you push that like button, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!
Even if you tried, you wouldn't